Hey, Cookbook Chef Kendra here, and today we are making salmon and rice bowls. So let's do what we do and make it happen. Sauce, ginger, garlic, toasted sesame seeds, seasoned mild and sweet rice vinegar, and honey. It's pretty simple. Just cut them into thin strips. Just keep those fingers out of the way. Next we have some ginger here, and we're just going to peel this ginger and get it chopped up. Now the best tool to peel ginger with is a spoon. That way you lose the least amount of ginger. I want you to see that. See that? Now that the ginger is bald like me, we're going to chop it up really small. So we're just gonna put the ginger in this little bowl here. We're just gonna chop this small also. Let the knife do the work. You don't have to be heavy-handed. We have our ginger and our garlic. We have our toasted sesame seeds. We have our honey, we have our rice wine vinegar, we have our soy sauce, and we have our olive oil. So I have a cup here, and I have a zip top bag. And I'm gonna pour everything into the zip top bag. There's the oil going in. There's just so many benefits to making your own salad dressing. The rice vinegar, seasoned. The soy sauce. The honey. The toasted sesame seeds, and the garlic and the ginger. Now it's all in the bag. Set this aside. I'm going to double bag it. Now, I'm just going to shake this vigorously. And once it's all mixed together, just set this aside. Okay, now I'm just chopping some cilantro. Let's see how well I did. I think I did the perfect, yes, perfect amount. Ingredient roll call. We have our sesame ginger salad dressing. We have rice off camera. We have cilantro. We have some carrot that you saw us cut up earlier, and we have some coleslaw. Now, this isn't coleslaw with the dressing. It's just green cabbage, carrots, and red cabbage. This is what you would buy to make your coleslaw at home. Just already taken care of cabbage for us. So what we're gonna do is take half of our sesame ginger salad dressing and pour it over here, over our salmon. Come on guys, you know it look good already. Now we're gonna get this salmon in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until it flakes. It's completely cooked through, but flaky. Have some rice we cooked. Look at that. And we're gonna fluff that rice up. Into this rice, we're gonna add our cilantro and our salt. And we're just gonna mix this rice and that cilantro and that salt together. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Okay, guys, I'm really excited. Look at this food. Look at this food. Are you serious? So, we have our cilantro. We have our rice, our cilantro rice, we can call it. And that makes a great side dish all on its own. Now we're gonna take a piece of salmon and drop it right there. Now we have our cabbage, which is optional, and we have our carrots. And we're just gonna drop that down. Yeah. And our carrots. Gonna get them down. Guys, did you know that salmon can carry over 4,000 eggs, but only 0 to 10 make it to be fully grown? That's crazy. And after they spawn, most die. I mean, look, after swimming upstream, dropping all those eggs and building a nest, bet you didn't know salmon built nests, right? Okay, I'm just gonna shake this up and add some, drizzle some over the top. That dressing we made earlier. Yeah, after they do all that, they die. Anyway, here it is, our salmon and rice bowl. For another fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Perfectly flaky. That's all for this time. See you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.